Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So my last video I showed opening the box for this splitter, and there it is, we're out. And I got it assembled, it wasn't bad. Basically you got the coupler piece that bolts onto here, you got the leg that bolts onto here with the hitch pin, you've got this beam that bolts onto here, on the tank and axle, which is a little bit heavy, but I managed to do that by hand by myself. It wasn't bad. You put the wheels on, they've got real like roller bearings. It says not for highway use, but I mean, these look like regular trailer tires. You could probably take it, slowly on side roads. But you tighten them down and put the cotter pins through. This is real heavy. The splitter beam, that I used my overhead crane for to lower it down, but basically I just lowered it down, and it's got a hitch pin that goes through here, which I don't know why. Maybe it's from another model that has the vertical mode, but this doesn't go vertical. It's permanently bolted down right there. But that's all right. And then the engine goes on. It's got like a little vibration plate that's already attached, and you just mount it to the tank here, and then you hook up your connections. And I had one problem. So the threads were buggered on this. I started tightening it down, and like within the second turn, it started getting really hard, and then I needed a wrench. So I started wrenching it down, and I'm like, nah, this doesn't feel right. So I took it off and looked at it, and yeah, sure enough, one of the threads in here is all chewed up. I switched sides. I put this one down here, and it threaded on just fine. So it's definitely this. The other one was okay. This hose went on fine. It's just a barb. You throw it on there, tighten the hose clamp down there too. But I called Harbor Freight. They're working on seeing if they can get me a replacement for this. If not, I'm pretty sure it's a pretty standard hose. It's got an O-ring that fits. It goes over the top of the port. Yeah, they give you the O-rings, you just place the O-ring there, and then this thing tightens down. I'm sure there's a name for it. I'm not sure what these are, but yeah, so I'll see what happens. I may have to have one made up. Maybe I can get them from Tractor Supply. But all in all, it went together real easy. I'm excited to use it. Take care, everyone.